Introduction to the Xero Accounts tab by Heather Smith. This overview looks at bank accounts, sales dashboard, purchases dashboard, expense claims, and fixed assets, all the things associated with the Xero Accounts tab. To view this video in high definition on YouTube, click on the gear icon in the transport bar and select 720p HD or higher if available. Please like this video by giving a thumbs up and sharing with your friends. In today's session, we are giving an introduction to Xero's accounts. This is really an overview for the new user. Under your accounts menu drop-down option, you have 5 different options: bank accounts, sales, purchases, expense claims, and fixed assets. So the first one, which is where we've started at, is our bank account area. Here you can see all the bank accounts that have been set up in Xero. Now, the terminology in Xero for bank accounts actually refers to bank accounts, credit cards, or PayPal. So remember, when I talk about bank, I mean bank accounts, credit cards, or PayPal. So this was on the dashboard, the home dashboard, and is actually in more detail here. So you can see the individual accounts. I've got my bank, my high interest, my credit card, and my PayPal. And you can see I actually have this stretchy bar underneath. So scoping me so I can see more information, more detail of what's going on here. And what else can I do here? Here I can add new bank accounts. So I can add a bank account, credit card, or PayPal account. I can transfer money. I can access my bank rules. As with the dashboard, I could manage my accounts here, and I can also reconcile my accounts here. This option down here gives me the option to show the account on the dashboard. So if I had an account that perhaps was quite stagnant, not moving at all, I may untick this option so it doesn't appear there. Now, if I just scroll down a little bit, I have here the option to update the order on the main dashboard. So if I slip them around, you can see here that my high interest and my savings accounts have swapped around, and this, if I then click on my dashboard, I should be able to see has happened on my dashboard. The high interest is at the top and the savings account is at the bottom. So I'll pop back in here. Now, you should always think about your dashboard, and you really want to have the most important one at the top. So I'm going to move the savings account back there. So think about that. It's important to have your dashboard with the most important relevant information with you so you can make decisions, and that's one of the options there to change that. So that's looking at our accounts. The next area I want to quickly look at is my sales area. So if I click on my sales, this is my sales dashboard, and I have various options here. At the top, I can create new invoices, repeating invoices, and credit notes. I can send statements. I can import sales information. I can search for invoices within my database. And I have some sort of quick tabs and quick areas to jump down and drill down on here. So my invoices that have been paid, my repeating invoices, all of my invoices, draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and the overdue ones, I can quickly jump down and see the further information. So if I came to my sales dashboard, my primary reason may be to create new invoices or to chase up overdue invoices. If I come down a little bit further, I have this nice little dashboard here of money coming in, and you can see as I hover across it, it shows me the information, phone number, mobile phone number, what's due, and so I can easily contact those people if I need to chase up with that payment. And on the right hand side here, it says I've got another little mini information table. Customers owing the most money. So currently highlighting the customers who owe me the most money, and it is in a listed format here. The red is highlighting which is overdue, and if I click on the pie, it actually shows me a pie chart just whatever you prefer, and you can see the pie chart really clearly identifies who owes you the most money, and it's really encouraging you to be proactive with your cash flow, because you're constantly going, okay, the chunk of pie here is big, the bar box here is big, this is the one I need to get the money from. I guess when it's in this list format, it's not so obvious which one is maybe the biggest one. It is maybe for a numerical person, but this is good graphical. Okay, this is where we should be chasing the money from. And obviously for this business, it's these three big chunks here that we should be chasing the money actively for. So that is our accounts and a quick overview of our sales dashboard. If I click down further, I come to my purchases dashboard. My purchases is very much the same as my sales. It very much orientates itself as a mirror image of my sales. So I'm going to look at my purchases. I have my new, I have importing purchases, the option to search. Again, same sort of options here, what's overdue, what's awaiting payment, what's draft, the opportunity to see them all. And I have here a big bar chart with a see all upcoming bills with a stretchy bar underneath, so I can sort of see what upcoming bills they are. And then here I have highlighted the blue have been due and the green are what has actually been paid. So this area will only have information in it as if you are actively entering supplier invoices. If you're not actively entering supplier invoices, then this area might be quite bare. Popping up here, we'll then go and have a look at our expense claims area. Just giving you a brief overview of the expense claims area. You have here the option to add your receipts, view what current claims are and actually see the detail of them, view what previous claims are, what's awaiting authorization, awaiting payment, and what has been archived, perhaps has been filed away. You also have at the bottom here history and notes and the option to add additional notes here. Finally, in the accounts area, we want to look at the fixed assets. Some people will never ever go and have a look at the fixed assets, so we just want to have a look here. Some people will never touch this area. It may just be left for the tax accountant. So from here, this fixed asset area here, we can add new assets, we can depreciate an asset, we can import assets if necessary, and we under the tabs can see what's pending, what's registered, what's sold and disposed. And you have the option here to delete them and search for them. So that gives you a quick overview of what is available in the Xero Accounts tab area. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and visit me at my website heathersmithsmallbusiness.com if you need further assistance.